So I got a new Camaro 2001, and it has a pass key 2 system, also known as VATS, V-A-T-S, and somehow I lost the only key that came with the car. I bought the car about a month ago, but I already was aware of VATS, and I'll read it. Directed Electronics 652T GM VATS Bypass Kit. So this kit helped me solve my problem of not being able to start my car and drive it. All of a sudden, I lost my ignition key, I lost my keys to the doors, and I go, uh-oh. I called the dealer, it's $400. I called the locksmith, it's $300. I paid $25 for a new ignition, and $4 or $5 for the resistors that are in this box here. So if you can see that, this is what it looks like. These are the resistors, and you have to test them in order to get the right one. And this is a list of all the resistors that come in this kit. It's a total of 15 different resistors. They should be the exact value that you need. And mine was one of these over here towards the bottom. It's getting close to running out of resistors, but one of them was finally it. And I'll show you that it works. I'll turn on my car. So you see there, no whatever you call it, I don't know what it's called, the system for the VATS on my key. It's a plain key. So I had to install a new ignition cylinder lock. So I got 2 new keys. This is one of the keys, and I want to show you where these resistors go. Well, this is the last one I didn't use. Check it out. Here you go. See the ones I was trying. And over here, you have to remove a panel. And this is a resistor, and that's what, and it goes on to this right here. You have to bypass it through there, and that will allow you to start the car. There's an orange wire that comes with the ignition cylinder lock, but I didn't finish with wiring, so I don't know where my friend tucked it away, somewhere in there. Otherwise I would show you. I think you can see that orange wire. That's what it looks like. Somewhere. Oh, here it is. Found it. Can you see that? Oh, that's where it ended up, and it would plug into here. So hopefully this helps somebody. This resistor kit for $4 or $5 on Amazon will help you get your car back on the road. Change the ignition cylinder lock. $25 on Amazon. $4 or $5 for this kit, for a total of $31 it would have cost me, rather than $300 at a locksmith or $400 at a Chevy dealer. So I'm sure it'll help somebody out. I did have to take the steering wheel off that, and there are one or two very good videos on that. That was just my first time doing that, so I didn't take video. I just wanted to get the car back on the road. But hopefully it will confirm for anybody trying to get their car back on the road. and bypass VATS. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. I still have my Nova, and now I got this thing, and I think I'll focus on the Camaro. Although that Nova is fun, the Camaro will be my newest project. So please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.